Vivo is set to expand its X200 series with a new model. The company has confirmed that it will launch the X200T in India on January 27. It will arrive in black and purple shades. Vivo X200T is likely to come with 6.67-inch display with 1.5K resolution panel. The screen is also said to support a 120Hz refresh rate, include an ultrasonic in-display fingerprint scanner, IP68 and IP69 ratings for dust and water resistance. The phone will be powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9400 Plus chipset, paired with up to 16 GB of RAM and 1 TB of storage. Run on Android 16 out of the box. It is said to get 5 Android OS updates and 7 years of security patches. The device could feature a triple rear camera setup with 350MP sensors, a Sony LYT702 main, a Samsung JN1 ultrawide, and a periscope telephoto lens. For selfies, the Vivo X200T is said to feature a 32MP front camera. The Vivo X200T is tipped to pack a 6200 mAh battery. Charging support is said to include 90W wired fast charging and 40W wireless charging for 50,000 Indian rupees to 55,000 Indian rupees. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.